case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a significant case handled by the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit in 1971, a monumental decision was made that consolidated contractor liability in construction projects. This case was Bale v. Cunningham, Brothers, where the focal issue was to determine if contractors are responsible for worker safety during construction, and if they are liable if reasonably discoverable dangerous conditions exist. The lawsuit was filed by Harry Bale, a brick mason employed by Davidson Masonry and Restoration, Inc., who found himself on the punishing end of negligence in safety assurance during a construction project. He named Cunningham Brothers, Inc., the general contractor at the construction site where he was injured, as the defendant. Bale's argument hinged on the Illinois Structural Work Act, arguing that Cunningham was responsible for ascertaining his safety. Fighting back, Cunningham Brothers contested that they did not exercise any control over the collapsed scaffold, which resulted in Bale's injuries. Conversely, they posited that Bale hadn't demonstrated a willful violation of the statute, hence should have no basis for his claims. The lower court disagreed with Cunningham Brothers' defense, stating it should have been aware of and prevented the dangerous conditions at the site given its control over the construction project. Falling on deaf ears, Cunningham Brothers' protests didn't sway the jury, who awarded the plaintiff, Bale, a sizable $150,000 in damages. In response, they launched an appeal seeking to overturn the jury's decision. However, their motions were slapped down by the court, and to add salt to their wounds, Bale was permitted to amend his complaint to demand even more compensation. The final ruling was quite clear. The court held Cunningham Brothers responsible for Bale's injuries, affirming the jury's decision to reward damages. The court saw no merit in Cunningham's argument that the verdict was influenced by passion or prejudice, and therefore upheld the ruling. Bale was also granted permission to revise his claim upwards owing to the outdated ad damnum clause. With no reversible errors found, the court nailed down their judgment, maintaining the awarded damages and holding the defendant accountable.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.